So today I'm reviewing this slime kit. This is how the packaging looks, and this is what you get when you open it. It has all these nice, cute things you can add for texture-wise, especially if you're like into texture when it comes to your slime. So they have all these nice things and like little things you can add on it, like a popsicle, or sorry, lollipop, a lime, some donuts. And here is the name. I really like how it has the name and like the scent, and it has like an image as well. It has all this. Oh, here's another one for texture. Let's do hmm let's do some watermelon. I want to try the watermelon one. So let's open it up and see how this is. Okay, I finally took off the wrapping, and it says here in the back, your happy time scented slime. Let's open it up, and this is how it looks. Let me take it out. It smells very much like watermelon. It's not like a smell that would like irritate you or like that would be too strong. And this is really stretchable. It's really nice. It feels nice to the touch. It smells good. It's not overpowering either, where like you'll get a headache. So, oh, that broke. But I definitely do recommend this. I think you just have to keep stretching it out so it doesn't break, really. But it'll be nice to add all the other stuff. But this smells good, then everything else probably smells like not with the same, like not annoying, but like headache smell that will give you a headache. Because this is like very gentle. It's not like overpowering either, which is what I really appreciate. So yeah, definitely do recommend this slime.